Hey everyone, it's beginning of May. Picked some peppers today. A variety of sweet peppers, banana peppers, regular green peppers. Plants aren't huge yet, but they're growing a lot. We're making some. We're gonna make some chili tomorrow. So I'm gonna pick some peppers, give these plants a chance to grow. You know, grow more, and we got some Cubanella, some bananas, all different types. Because when these peppers get so big, then the plant has to support it. And then when they support it, then they're not, they're having to support that instead of trying to grow bigger. So look at this big Cubanella right here. It's kind of green. Oh, here we go. Look at this one. This one's nice and yellow, yellowish orange. Hope you guys are getting some good peppers growing. Look at that. Pretty colors. Yeah, so that should be good. And hope your garden's doing well. You see I have basil growing in most of these. I've got some marigolds growing. Every pot has most of them have basil, some have marigolds. Always plant companion plants in your garden. I hope your garden's doing well. Hope your peppers are doing well. We'll see you on the next video.